Hello students, we have covered 13.1 and 13.2. Now let's go to 13.3. So the very first question is that there is a sphere and the sphere has a radius of 4.2 centimeter. Okay, so the sphere has a radius of 4.2 centimeter and this material is taken, and then out of this material we have constructed a cylinder, and this cylinder has a radius of 6 centimeter. Okay, so you have to find the height of this cylinder. This height you have to find. Okay, now the concept that we are going to use over here, this is the same material is used to create both the sphere and the cylinder, isn't it? So what is going to happen is that the volume of the sphere and the volume of the cylinder, volume of the sphere and the volume of the cylinder are going to be equal, isn't it? So now volume of the sphere formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So my r is 4.2 and volume of a cylinder is pi r square, that is 6 square into h. Immediately you can cancel pi from both sides and then you can simplify and you will find that your h is 2.74 centimeter. Alright, try to get this answer after simplification. So that is question number 1. Now let's go to question number 2. Now question number 2 says there are 3 spheres. The first one has a radius of 6, then the next one has radius of 8, and the next one has radius of 10. Okay, so this one has radius of 6 centimeter, this one has radius of 8 centimeter, and this one has radius of 10 centimeter. Okay, now the materials from all of the 3 spheres are taken and we have created a larger sphere like this, and obviously this sphere is going to have a radius. You have to find this radius. Okay, so what is happening here is that to construct this large sphere I have taken the material from the 3 smaller spheres. So mathematically how I'm going to write? I'm going to write like this: volume of the 3 smaller spheres is equal to volume of the larger sphere. তিনিওটা সৰু সৰু sphere of volume combined হৈ ডাঙৰটো হৈছে, isn't it? So now for the first one, 4 by 3 pi r cube, r is 6, so 6 cube, plus 4 by 3 pi r cube with 8 cube, plus 4 by 3 pi 10 cube. और ডাঙৰটো কাৰণে কি হ'ব? 4 by 3 pi capital R cube. So 4 by 3 pi is in all the terms, so I can cancel the term. So I'll be left with 6 cube plus 8 cube plus 10 cube equal to r cube. Okay, so let me write it clearly for you people. So I have 6 cube plus 8 cube plus 10 cube equal to capital R cube. So from here, capital R cube, if you add them, you will get 1728. So capital R is cube root of 1728 and the cube root of 1728 is 12. So my radius is 12 centimeter. This is my final answer. Alright, so this is question number 2. Now let's go to question number 3. Alright, so in question number 3 now, they are talking about a deep well. So cylindrical, of course. So there's a deep well and this deep well has a height of 20 meter and its diameter is 7 meter. Okay, so all the material from this well is taken out and then they are constructing a platform of cuboidal shape like this. Okay, so basically the platform is length, width and height. The length is given as 22 meter, breadth is given as 14 meter, and you have to find the height of the platform. Obviously the platform is cubical. So same concept, same material is being used. So what we'll have the volume of the cylindrical well is equal to volume of the cuboidal platform, isn't it? So for a cylinder it is pi r square h. Radius is 7/2, diameter is 7, and for the cuboid it is obviously length into breadth into height. Okay, now you people can simplify this one. Please do the calculations, and finally you should get the height 2.5 meter. Okay, so this is the answer for question number 3. So question number 1, 2 and 3 are discussed in this video. In the next video I shall be covering 3 more questions from this exercise.